today I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious and decadent Chuckles chocolate tart using the ginger biscuit Chuckles. We'll start off with the base. With the base, we want to crush our ginger biscuits and a packet of the ginger biscuit Chuckles. Now that everything is crushed and mixed, I'm going to add it to a greased tart tin. I'm going to flatten the base and make sure that it goes up the sides as well. So using clean hands, of course, and the back of a measuring cup, you can flatten your base and just ensure that you guide the sides to create a bit of a wall. Before we get started with our filling, we want our base to rest in the fridge for a little bit. For the filling, today I'm striking a bit of a balance and have almost 50-50 milk and dark chocolate ratio. To my chopped chocolate, I'm going to add my heated cream. I'm going to let my heated cream rest over the chocolate for about a minute. The reason for this is to ensure that our chocolate is nicely melted. And then while it's doing its magic over there, we'll add our spices. And then a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And now for the best part. Oh my goodness, I can already smell all these different flavors and scents, and now it's the magic really. So our base is ready. My delicious chocolate filling is ready. Time to assemble. I'm just going to take a teaspoon and smooth it over. Doesn't have to be too perfect. Now it's time for this lovely tart to rest. Back onto the baking tray and into the fridge for an overnight set. Just before you're about to serve, remove it from the fridge. I think it's just lovely with a nice little border. Time to slice in. Use a nice hot knife for a clean slice. Moment of truth, here we go. Oh wow. That's really good. That filling is so luscious, so creamy, so absolutely dreamy, and the ginger just flows and complements that chocolate so well. So if you don't mind, I'm gonna have some me time.